Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open, or rather we need to open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now find the profile icon and tap on it, and here we have the list of my devices, and on it there should be your Amazfit GTR 2E. Select it. Here tap on watch faces and it will open the watch face store, and in it you have different categories of watch faces. As you can see, you can open the category by tapping on find more, and here we have the list of watch faces we can download. As you can see, most of them you need to pay for basically, but there are some free ones if you're patient enough to look for them. Can we find some here? I don't think so. Maybe we can find some on the main page. There is one for free rather. So basically, once you find the watch face you want to install, tap on it, tap on sync. It's gonna start syncing and then basically downloading and syncing. First it's gonna download, then sync to your watch, and once you're done, or rather once it's done, you will see the watch face on your watch. And you can also install multiple of them. So for example, we can install also this one, like this. And once you're done installing the watch faces and you want to see the list of the watch faces you installed, you need to go back to the main page of the store, tap on mine, and here we have the list of installed watch faces, and you can tap on them to switch between them quickly, like that. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.